If you're still trying to make money in real estate the same way you did a few years ago, you're already behind. The market changed, the rules changed, and most investors haven't even adapted. And no, this isn't about interest rates, elections, or the economy. We've entered a new era of real estate. I've closed over 400 wholesale deals, generated over $2 million in profit last year alone, and helped students scale from $5,000 assignments to over $30,000 per deal using these exact principles. In this video, I'm going to break down 6 principles that separate the investors who struggle in this market from the ones closing $30,000 to $50,000 deals in 2026. Principle 1, why volume stopped working. For a long time, people got away with doing more leads, more calls, more offers. And it worked not because the model was good, but because the market was forgiving. Volume doesn't fix bad fundamentals, it hides them. When margins were wide, you could be sloppy and still get paid. You could misjudge motivation, you could be off on price, you could have weak buyers. The margin for error is gone. The problem today isn't that deals disappear. The problem is that precision matters now. When your numbers are off, the deal dies. When your buyer isn't real, the deal dies. When motivation isn't clear, the deal dies. In 2026, doing more isn't the answer. Doing better is. Principle number 2, market intelligence beats hustle. Most investors are working harder than ever and making less money because they're guessing. They're pulling massive lists without understanding buyer demand. They're chasing zip codes that used to work. They're making offers based on opinions instead of data. If you show me buyer demand, inventory levels, seller pain points in any market, I could tell you which deals will close before you ever make an offer. Here's a quick example. I had a student who spent over $4,000 a month on mailers for over 7 months. No deals. Then he spent 1 week just talking to the buyers first. Found out they were paying premium for one specific zip code. He pulled 15 properties in that area, made about 40 calls, got a contract, and made $35,000 in less than 20 days. Less effort, less expense, more profit. Wholesaling isn't a game of guessing, it's a game of knowing. Knowing where buyers are active, knowing what they actually buy, knowing what sellers feel pressure around. In this era, the people who know their market don't need to hustle harder. They need to aim better. If this is already clicking for you and you're getting value out of this, take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I put out content like this every week breaking down what actually works in this market. Principle 3, buyer first strategy. Most people start with sellers. They chase distressed properties, then they scramble to find a buyer. That worked when buyers were easy and money was cheap. In this market, that approach creates stress, discounts, and dead deals. The investors winning right now start with buyers. They know who buys, what they buy, how they buy. When you have buyers first, everything changes. Pricing becomes clearer. Negotiations become calmer. Deals move faster. Here's what most people don't realize. Buyers tell you the market before the market tells you. If buyers hesitate, you're too high. If buyers rush, you're too low. If buyers disappear, you're in the wrong area. Here's a quick example. One student locked up a deal for $220 because they used ARV minus repairs and they thought they had themselves a great deal. They could have sworn all day that they were going to get at least $250 for it. Long story short, they ended up wholesaling it and only making $3,000 because the buyers weren't there. And the repairs they were budgeting were way higher than the repairs the wholesaler was budgeting. Compare that to another student who had a deal. He knew they needed to sell, but wasn't sure what he needed to offer. He looked at some as-is values in the areas, called two of his buyers and sort of pitched it cold and said, hey, I got a lead in this area. It's a 3-2, 1,400 square feet. Would it make sense in somewhat decent conditions for you to pick it up around 180? Both buyers said yes, hands down. They love the area. He went back, locked it up for 160, and it was in decent conditions. So he took it back to one of his buyers. His buyer came through for a $20,000 wholesale. That's buyer first. You don't make money by locking up random deals. You make money by locking up deals buyers already waiting for. By the way, if you want to see where you actually stand in this new era of real estate, I put together a short assessment that breaks down your current model and shows you what to focus on next. You can take a quiz for free at pwmquiz.com. Principle 4, spearfishing versus blasting. Blasting is when you send out mass offers, cold call everything, and hope something sticks. It feels productive, but creates noise. Spearfishing is completely different. You're targeting specific sellers with specific pain points in specific markets, and you are intentional about every single offer. Blasting throws a net and pretty much hopes. Spearfishing aims and commits. Think about it like this. If I gave you 2,000 leads tomorrow, you'd feel overwhelmed. After 100 calls, you'd be exhausted with maybe 2 real conversations. Now imagine I gave you 20 leads, but every single one is tax delinquent with code violations, owned over 10 years, and in zip codes buyers actually want. You'd call 20, you would get 7 conversations, set 3 appointments, close 1 deal for at least $35,000. That's spearfishing. Spearfishing feels slower up front, but it produces cleaner conversations, stronger motivation, and bigger spreads. Precision creates leverage. Leverage creates margin. And margin is where $30,000 to $50,000 deals actually live. Principle number 5, stacked pain points. Big deals don't come from one problem. They come from pressure stacking over time. Foreclosures plus 10 plus years of ownership, probate plus tax delinquent with code violations. One problem creates hesitation, multiple problems create urgency. When urgency increases, sellers stop negotiating price and start solving problems. That's when conversations change. That's when resistance drops. Here's a quick example. Student found a property, absentee owner, vacant, 2 years, pre-foreclosure. 3 pain points stacked. When he called, the seller didn't even negotiate. He said, how fast can you close? It wasn't one fire. It was 3 fires. And when you show up with water, people don't haggle. Locked it in at $122,000, assigned it at $171,000, $49,000 check in 18 days. In this era, you're not hunting distressed properties, you're identifying compounded pressure. Principle number 6, simple, repeatable acquisition model. This is where everything comes together. The people winning right now aren't using complicated systems. They're doing the same few things consistently in the same type of market. Same seller profile, same property type, same buyer criteria, week after week. Most investors overcomplicate this business. More tools, more software, more steps, but complexity doesn't scale, clarity does. Here's a quick example. Take Kyle, for instance. St. Louis market. Took 1 list, probates. He has 2 buyers, and mostly with one of them is where he does most of his deals. Did 8 deals last year and did nearly $300,000 by himself. That's it. You understand? When your model is simple, you improve faster. When it's repeatable, results compound. And in this new era, the simplest models are the most profitable ones. So let's recap quick. Principle 1, volume stopped working, precision matters now. Principle 2, market intelligence beats hustle. Know before you act. Principle 3, buyer first strategy. Lock buyers before chasing sellers. Principle 4, spearfishing versus blasting. Target with intention. Principle 5, stacked pain points. Find compounded urgency. And principle 6, simple, repeatable model. clarity scales. These 6 principles are the difference between grinding for $5,000 checks and consistently banking $30,000 to $50,000 deals. If you're serious about applying this and want to help tightening your model, building better deals, and focusing on what actually works in this market, you can book a free strategy call with me. We'll break down your business, your market, your current approach, and help you map out your next move. You can book the call at pwmcall.com. And now that you understand the new era of real estate, the next thing you need to see is how I actually structure offers without using ARV or repair estimates. Click the video on your screen and I'll break that down step by step.